Hi friends, we'll learn about towards notification. This is a notification. We can open it. Here it is. We can manage the title. We can manage the text of this notification. We can close this also, or we can set the duration for which after which it will close automatically. And similarly the alert also, whether it should beep or not while opening, that we can manage. We can manage its position, and we'll learn all about this. We'll start from here. So this is first line. We are importing our Ttkbootstrap. In this series, the first one we have discussed about how to install Bootstrap and all. So and then the constant, because we will be using colors and also the constant we are importing. Then the window, and we have used one theme this time. And next line, we are here, it is our geometry or the window with the width and height we are setting through this. So from this black window we'll start our displaying the toast. But here first we have to import it. So for that, from Ttkbootstrap dot toast import toast notification. So this is what is we will be using it inside. Now let's directly go to our toast. We are just writing it in detail. So here we will say toast notification. Now inside this certain options we will learn. So let's first say title. What should be the title? This will say, I will say that whatever you text you want, this is the title. Whatever text you want, you can add it here. Now what the message is, below that in the body the message will be. So message is welcome to plus2net.com, or you can write to learn Python. Fine. Now next we'll say where it should position it. So position, I am coming to the next line. Position it is, let's say we'll say 400. This is the X position, and what is the anchor position is that also 400X and 300Y, and let's say it any northeast. You can, the other options are northeast or northwest or southeast, southwest. All those options you can experiment and see it how the positioning affects also. So now then one more thing, whether you should, well, when this box opens up, whether it should give a beep or not, that alert message, alert sound will say, or that is what will say alert is true. So that will sound we want. Now we can also set it how long that message should display, because then it automatically it should be hidden. So for that person, for that we'll say duration. Let's give 3, it's in millisecond. So 3000 means up to 3 seconds it will be displayed. And then our usually the boot style, what we will give. Anyway, let's first start with success. So the green one, the out of the 8 list, you can give all this info, secondary, warning, danger, whatever you want you can give. So that's all. Now we have initialized, but to display it we must show this. So for that, towards dot show with this line, this message will be displayed. Now I am just saving this and running. You just see this message has come up, and after 3 seconds it has stopped. We'll add 2 buttons to this, and through that we will open this message and close this message. So for that, what you will do, we'll comment this line and remove this duration 300, because now we'll be connecting it. Now as you must be aware, this you can keep on changing to different and see how the style works. Now for that, let's me place the b1 equal to ttk.button. Now I'll be placing it my underscore w is my parent window. Now text, I am writing here some text. It's saying that open to us. Now what should be the command? Because on click what should happen? Command equal to lambda toast dot show toast. So this is the what you have initialized, the object you have created here. This here, if you would have given a different name, that would have used. Now show toast is the method we are using to open it up. Now here I will just give a boot style. So opening, so let's give info, yeah, green, boot style equal to, let's say, info. I am giving info. You can give whatever you want. Now you have to place it on a grid. So b1 dot grid, row equal to 1, column equal to, this is the first element, so that is row 1, column 1 I am using. Slightly pad x I am giving 10 and pad y equal to, let's say, 30. So from the top I am giving 30 gap. So pad y. Now let me just, instead of writing all the things again, I'll just copy this, paste it. I will give it a name as b2, bottom b2. First let me change the column, otherwise I'll miss that. So column 2, right of it we are placing it there, column 2, and here text will change, it is close, and in the lambda to us, so in this place we'll write hide, and boot style is, let's give danger. So that's the red color one button will come. So that's all. Now I have just saved this and running. Yeah, it is opened. Open the text. Here it is. So close it. Based on that, again open it. So all these parameters I can keep on changing. Now because that allot is true, that's why that beep is coming. Then close it. Now I can close this. Let me make it false, or so that beep won't come. Open, close, it's silent now. So I can, this is how I can place this is the position is there, I can place it anywhere I require, and I can manage it open and close through some event. Say I want to give a message for some fixed duration. Here we are not, we removed the duration, otherwise you would have managed the duration also. That's all friend. We are continuing our boot style different widgets. We will continue further also, and I'll request you, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you'll be notified as and when we add new tutorials, and we frequently do that. And if you have any doubt, suggestion, question, use the comment section below to post it. Please share this with your friends, and thank you for watching.